The British Columbia Ministry of Transportation and Infrastructure's Wildlife Program is the cornerstone of wildlife protection on British Columbia highways. While its primary objective is public safety through the reduction of wildlife vehicle collisions on provincial highways, the program strives to support provincial wildlife protection goals. The program is responsible for highway-related wildlife protection initiatives for British Columbia's wild species. These species range from small amphibians like toads and frogs to large ungulates like moose and elk. The wildlife program has evolved over the last 25 years and now incorporates the ministry's Wildlife Accident Reporting System, Wildlife Exclusion System Improvement Program, Wildlife Monitoring Program, research initiatives, partnerships, and public outreach.
Every day, the ministry's maintenance contractors patrol highways throughout the province for wildlife accidents. Whenever they come across a road-killed animal, they collect information on the date, time, location, and species of animal found. Database and mapping tools are used to identify locations where investments in wildlife protection can be made.
The ministry has been monitoring wildlife accidents on numbered provincial highways since 1978. Approximately 5,000 vehicle collisions with large wild animals occur on provincial highways each year. The Wildlife Accident Reporting System is used to direct initiatives such as wildlife corridor signing, wildlife exclusion systems, and the testing of wildlife detection systems.
The ministry's wildlife detection systems use radar and thermal imaging technologies to detect wildlife on highways. When an animal is detected, road users are warned using a series of flashing lights and message boards.
The ministry has more than 500 kilometers of wildlife exclusion fencing, 4 wildlife overpasses, and 20 wildlife underpasses in the province. The improvement program organizes regular inspections, maintenance, repair, installation of ungulate guards, and new exclusion fence construction. In order to monitor the effectiveness of the wildlife mitigation infrastructure, cameras are installed to capture images of wildlife movements. Information is used to develop species-specific risk profiles and develop policies and strategies for mitigation initiatives.
The Wildlife Monitoring Program consists of a network of over 100 cameras like this located on highways throughout the province. Each year, hundreds of thousands of wildlife photos are collected by this camera network. These photos are used to better understand wildlife behavior along highways.
Through the ministry's social media presence, TranBC, including on Facebook and Twitter, the program is engaging a growing public audience. Building positive relationships between the ministry and stakeholders, including Indigenous groups and NGOs, fish and game associations, is an integral part of the wildlife program. The wildlife program supports the ministry's commitment to enhancing safety on BC's roads while protecting the diverse wildlife that call our province home.